Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, it'd be a lot cooler if you did. Today I want to show you how I made this beautiful egg wreath for spring and Easter. For this project, I used a 14-inch wreath form from Dollar Tree, 2 rolls of the green burlap ribbon also from Dollar Tree, a pack of the plastic dyeable eggs I got at Walmart, 9 of the greenery bouquets from Dollar Tree, some apple barrel paint in Cloudless, Cameo Pink, Lavender Sachet, and Pale Daffodil. I started out by painting my eggs. I decided I wanted to do 3 eggs in each color. I did end up going back and giving each egg 2 coats of paint. While the eggs were drying, I used the burlap ribbon to wrap the wreath form. I started at the back of the form using a dot of hot glue to hold it in place. I then wrapped the entire form using hot glue here and there as needed. Wrapping the wreath form with the burlap will give the florals and eggs something solid to sit on and make it a whole lot easier to glue everything into place. Next, I took 9 of these beautiful greenery bouquets from Dollar Tree and cut them apart using wire cutters. Once all the picks were cut, I took the stems and started gluing them around the wreath form. This did take a little while for me to be happy with the way it looked. I wanted to make sure the wreath was good and full. Once I was happy with the way the greenery looked, I took the eggs and glued them around the wreath. To make the hanger, I'm just using some jute cord from Dollar Tree. I'm cutting off a piece, tying it together, and then hot gluing it to the back of the wreath form. I absolutely love how this wreath turned out. I think it is so beautiful and I cannot wait to display it on the front door for Easter. If you like this project, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to check out my other projects. And hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more projects coming up. I'll see you next time.